Hey guys, welcome back. And today we're going to be reviewing slimes. I gotta kneel this over something. Right. First ones are these Super Brain Putty Minis. This is the neon orange one. Super Brain. I got a big tin of this last year, and it only lasted for a month because I added something to it. But it says if you don't add anything to it, the review says it lasts so long. This is a super bright neon. Can you see this? Does this even glow? Does this glow? No, it doesn't. There is a glow in the dark one though. Now, and they did sell silly errands, but they were like more than like £6. So, right, okay. I got this one and a pastel blue one. The pastel ones, they say, are a bit more stretchier than the neons and the glitters, because the glitters have got more stuff and the neons are a bit more coloured. I think this one's like from a clear, added like a pastel blue paint, like a drop of pastel blue. It's like, wow, beautiful. Okay, I like playing with that one, but the ones that I've been excited for all the way home are my two butter slimes. Let's move these out of the way. They smell of apple and strawberry. The pink one smells of apple, and the green one smells of... No, the pink one smells of strawberries, and the green one is meant to smell like apple. Okay, that one's out. This one is pretty cool. I like it. This one's pretty nice. I never knew butters were this nice. It's because it's store-bought.
Well, that's more than 15 quid you got. How'd you end it? After so long.
So that's the pink one. Let's get out the green one. The green one's more soft.
I don't want any money. You want some fish. You do. You just get 15 quid out of you. How'd you end it?
Oh god, I don't want to mix them. Right, I'm trying to get the green one out. It's impossible. Hold on. So if you stretch it, it does start to come out. See, okay, I'm getting somewhere. The limit is almost there, so I've got to be quick. Okay, I might want to get an end of a brush or something. Try and scoop it out. I can see this one was mildly activated, because you're meant to add at least half or a quarter of a small spoon. That's as much as you have to add. And I'm just trying to get it out. It says that this one was mildly activated. This batch that they got in weeks ago, they said this might be a little bit mildly activated as we've just added the new scents. So if the green one does stick, I don't blame you. I don't blame the people that made it. I blame the scent that was sent to us by Sentosh.co. And this is like the creamiest, butteriest thing I've ever seen. Right. Or the least appley thing I've smelt in years. I've had Centaur's pens, and I've had an apple one.
You weren't well screwed up, because there was going to produce a stamp to D-Day, right, and it's supposed to D-Day Dunkirk, but it's actually, that picture there is of the American troops arriving at Dutch New Guinea. Right, so someone said he is the backup I was in Normandy in 1944. Look at the picture of someone.
Ooh, that's weird.
What else is
It's
there?
drier. It's a bit more dry.
Oh,
Smells like chlorine. Or an apple.
when we're Canucks
Strawberry smells of strawberries, but the apple smells more like chlorine. I need to get this out. It's impossible. Ugh, this is weird. Can't get it out, guys. Mom! I can't get this butter out. No, I think I'm getting somewhere. I gotta be quick, guys. There isn't any instruction. Why would there be instructions for a how to get the slime out? So you can just get something and start scraping. Okay, I've only got about 2 minutes and some seconds left. Or 1 minute and some seconds left. Okay, that's as much as I'm going to get out. I'll have to get the rest out after the video. If I use this, I'll use the actual slime to try and get it out. Oh yeah, it's kind of working. It's kind of working. Oh god, don't want to do that. Okay. Okay, this is really something that I like playing with. So, okay, I'm gonna get the piece of slime and just do this. As this just, yes, it's working, hallelujah. Right, okay, now I've just got to quickly review this one. I can get that bit there. So this is a green apple scented. It smells of chlorine. Apple chlorine scented slime. It's pretty pokey. I've got to hurry up. So I like that one. So if you want to buy these, I would recommend getting the green and red one. I would recommend getting something completely different. So I've got to go, guys. Bye!